using this product that I just gonna arm in a few seconds, but I want to show you first. This is a desk lamp that you can use in your bed or in another part of your house. Look this way. And we're gonna install together right now. So first, let's go open it. I love the color because can combine with your room. No cares what color your room is because it's white, so that's make more easy. Okay. Okay. Oh, you can adjust the large of your this with this button. That's great. We're gonna use the largest modes. Oh, excellent. So I'm gonna put the box away. Great. So this is our desk. Here you have this accessory. I just see here. So you can put some things inside. Open it and close it, so easy. Okay, let me understand how they go. This way. You can put this form for our better work. So this goes here. And have more accessories. Okay. This is a lamp. Oh, this is great. Look this accessory. Everything that we can need. This one is for USB extension. Here. Came with this cable, and you're just gonna need the charger. So I have one here, and I'm gonna put it in the energy. So look at that. This is great. Have this lamp here, so you can use it to read or to walk if you need to write something. Have this little ventilation here that you can use it for you or for your laptop, and this extension cable. This accessory too that you can use to put your laptop when you use your desk in this way. So this helps you that your laptop stay in your place, and you can use it this way too. So you can adjust all these forms with the controls, plastic controls right here down, and you can adjust the large too. So I highly recommend this product if you work so much in your home. I think that you really need it. So buy yours. See you.